Welcome to the ultimate air fryer showdown, where we separate the crispy from the soggy and the worthy from the worthless. If you're still frying food the old-fashioned way, it's time to crawl out of the past and into the golden, crispy future. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 air fryers that will change your kitchen game forever. First up is the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. This isn't just an air fryer. It's a futuristic cooking spaceship. It's got superior airflow tech, a PFAS-free basket, and a self-cleaning feature. That's right, it cleans itself. What's next? A machine that does my taxes? Probably. Oh, and did I mention it can handle 32 chicken wings at once? That's enough to feed an army, or just yourself on a particularly rough day. Next, we have the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo. You know what's better than 1 cooking zone? 2. And this beauty lets you cook 2 different things at the same time at different temps. French doors? Check. 25 cooking functions? Check. Faster than your ex ghosting you cooking time? Check. This baby is so efficient, it'll have you feeling like a 5-star chef in no time. Next, meet the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, a machine that looks like it was designed by a luxury car company. Black stainless steel? Elegant. Element IQ technology? Genius. This thing is basically a countertop Michelin star chef. Toasting, baking, air frying, this one does it all. It's the air fryer equivalent of pulling up in a sports car and not having to say a word. Speaking of efficiency, let's talk about the Ninja SL401 DoubleStack XL. Got a big family, a big appetite, or just a serious snack habit? This 10-quart air fryer means business. It can cook 4 different foods at once. That means fries, wings, and whatever weird thing you're experimenting with, all going at the same time. Plus, it stacks, saving counter space, while letting you show off your culinary multitasking skills. You're welcome. Finally, we have the Ninja FD401 Foodi 12-in-1 Deluxe XL. This one is for the overachievers. It's not just an air fryer, it's also a pressure cooker. That's right, 12 cooking functions, including tender crisp technology, which locks in moisture before crisping up your food to perfection. So if you want your meals crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and cooked with the confidence of a 5-star chef, this is the one. So which one's for you? If you want the most advanced and spacious air fryer, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is for you. For those looking for versatility and speed, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo is a great choice. If precision and aesthetics matter, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is the one. If you want multitasking and space-saving design, go with the Ninja SL401 DoubleStack XL Air Fryer. And if you want maximum efficiency, the Ninja FD401 Foodi 12-in-1 Deluxe XL is perfect. Whichever you choose, these premium air fryers will elevate your cooking experience while delivering healthier meals. Thanks for watching.